If you want to know if you're talking to somebody with low intelligence, just use an analogy. Okay, just use an analogy. That's all you have to do. Because sometimes I find that when people have low intelligence, we often mistake that for them like just trying to argue or whatever the case may be. But no, in their head, they legitimately aren't following. And not only are they not following, they have a completely different interpretation of what y'all are actually talking about. So you have to use an analogy. And if they can't follow the analogy, that intelligence level is gone. So two things that they're gonna do, it could be and or type of ordeal. The first one, when you use the analogy, their brain will be incapable of understanding how those two things are even comparable at all. Okay? They won't understand it, all right? And that's often when you get them making statements like, are you really trying to compare apples to oranges? Yes, correct. Or the second thing that they can do is where they use part of the analogy and try to apply it to the original thing that you are talking about, okay? Like, what? That doesn't fit in the same thing that we're talking about. And why are they doing this? Because their brains cannot actually process gray areas of information. They can only see things as black or white, and analogies are not necessarily black or white.